Hello everybody, welcome back to From Rhythm to Algorithm. We continue on with our derivation, almost done with motion, and then we'll move on to the emergent domain of emotion and logically exhaust literally everything you can say, which we've already done. I can't emphasize that enough. This is already done. This is just a re-derivation, hence an iteration of logical structure. So continuing on, orality, right? Sensorality, the base is orality, to vocalization, to having a mouth. Orality is ordinal, right? Again, literally. Another one of those where you makes sense to point out the word. Ordinal is an iteration of the word oral. Sensorality is ordinality. Ordinal, ordain. So I just have, again, ordained, so like disdain, ordain, and that's like in a religious context typically, but something's going on again with that flipping the A and the I is going on something there. A graph is a chart. Charting coordinates. Coordination is organicality. Or no, excuse me, coordination is organality. Organic, organ, or organality. Like organs, your body's organs. Ordinality ordains. Confirmation ordains. Sensorality is ordainality. Sensorality is ordainality. And again, we're getting this, showing you a couple of these explicit steps of literally just putting a space in the word because we're deriving the entire definition of sensorality. And we can kind of, I have this labeled as the fundamental theorem of logic, but at this point, the past 4 or 5 episodes, I haven't really put anything on the screen because we've developed enough context where you should know exactly what I'm talking about. Iteration differentiates, right? Again, fundamentally, physically, how you get different things is you have one thing and then it differentiates. You have vibration and then it differentiates. You have charge and it stabilizes. And you have these, again, that stability of 2. And that differentiation then from emergence, again, ordinality, we've completed that. It's set, the order of universal progressions. But the differentiation of magnitude of this speciation, this ability to proliferate endlessly, is reflected in the logic and the letters. And so iteration differentiates. That's how we get all of our different words. So we've derived the set of words, all of them. Right? All words are differentiations of vibration. I did a little short video, right? Matter of fact. But the fact of the matter is, I don't know what fact is to matter, right? What is the relationship of fact and matter? Math matters. What is fact to physics? Sensorality uniterates. Again, when we're logically rooting sensorality, or more, at this point, again, we're showing where like sen and sor are 2 base logic syllables, and we're showing how those differentiated out. So as opposed to like trying to find the roots of a number, we're trying to show the expansion or the application of syllables. And so sensorality uniterates, that's what we're doing logically. Nil is null. Nothing is empty. Sensorality empties. Emptying hollows. What is priority to order? And now the big thing in physics, the Bayesian priors, Bayesian priors, Bayesian priors. Because of chronology, you have prioritization. And logically, you have shit that you have to get done more importantly than other things, right? Priority. And so sensorality prioritizes, priority orders, logic prioritizes. Sensorality is prioritality. Now, right, a direct extension from our last episode, ordination, right? Coordinate, ordination, subordination, right? Sensorality limits subordination. Logically, right, rank is order. If you don't follow your commanding officer, like all of the military and law enforcement committing super crimes, right, you're a cuck, dick-sucking bitch. But it would be subordination. And so sensorality subordinates, subordination is disorder. And again, it's direct logical extension. Again, it's very clear we've done a lot of things no one's ever done so far. But this is another, again, point to point out historically, when you have this law office, God, again, it's a law office, it's a whole rank thing. But when you have reactions such as, the word of God or the fear of God, those type of things, is like, again, it's it's like direct edicts or like direct executive orders. And so because you still have derivation of common law is a well-defined step in mathematics, and it's not that high up there, to be honest. And past that, you still have, again, what's identified now as the incompleteness theorem, right? You always have people that have demonstrably more intuition and substantially more intuition and experience, leaders, or should be, versus regular people, but you're still all in this environment where you have things that nobody can prove true, things that are definitely not true, things that are indeterminate, and then things that are provable. And so certainly in the historical respect of, follow the word of God, or again, the striking fear is to judgment. I mean, it's like a direct order thing. It's like, you put the fear in God into somebody. It's more of like you're in court and you get found guilty of murder and you're fucked and you're just like, ah, shit. Right, punishment's coming. But point being is deriving common law is a very well-defined mathematical step. Historically, that's occurred, but there's no completion. There's none of this reduction stuff at all. But point being, law ranks, and so ordination and subordination again have already been derived like conceptually. But again, rank and file, easy to conceptualize historically. That before people were even like writing shit down, it was like follow your commander, right? Por supuesto. Sensorality is boardality, right? Ordality, ordeal. What is a board to a boarder? Like I said, I'm at this point, I'm not really even I won't put much on the screen, if anything, but board to border, right? Order, border, right? Border creates order, or creates sectioning or something. But again, I can literally feel you watching this recorded video, feeling my intuition, because conceptualization is uniform. It's the same for everybody. So then you see the word border and you're like, oh, that is shit. That's order with a B in front of it. And then you're like, border, perimeter, order, yeah. But that happens at a trivial level in person with everybody. Sensorality is organicality. Sensorality is panicality. So that's why I like to read the derivation in order, even if it's like, if I derive and then an hour goes past and I do more derivation, like I said, the theorems feel old. But like when I stumbled over coordination is organality, that's because I wrote it after I derived organicality and then removed the IC. And so that's why it was a little cumbersome at the beginning. But sensorality is organicality, sensorality is panicality. Right? Panic is the opposite of calm. Tranquilo, calmate. Calamity is not calm. So calamity versus calm, we have a good logic. The words look similar, and you definitely look at those two words, you're like, yep, that's like something. But again, they differentiate. We have this natural opposition, and we're trying to show that linguistically and logically with sensorality. Because sensorality, again, remember, is the concept of all sensation. It's like the range of everything. Literally, right? You want a theory of everything? Nope, we're going to derive everything literally. And that's a very doable thing as we're doing it. Like when we're very close to being done. But now we can get back to our logical differentiations of sensorality. Sensorality with a C is not emotional, right? My notebook is never going to be upset or mad. And you're going to be, Brad, we went back on, episode whatever, and we talked about this. Again, we did enough linguistics, and now we're building this intuition, and we're going to say the same words, but it's going to have new meaning. In the same way coordination did for coordination. But again, it's some aspect of this contraction to completion, right? Special to special is what you really say. It's like something like that. Again, knowledge is sufficiently complete. But sensorality with a C is motionality. Sensation is emotional. And again, I shouldn't have to tell you that begins with an S. Sensation is sensory. Sensationality is sensorality. So now we're at that point again, 100 episodes ago, I said we're going to derive sensorality. We've built up our physical intuition. We laid the groundwork logically, linguistically, and now we're just trying to show that synchronicity, that completion, that timing is everything. That really only applies to again, synchronizing for things lined up at the right time. But again, we've clearly shown you this, right? Timing is everything. All of these words that are based on it, right? Again, that 5 syllables that has something to do with mapping to 3. But again, all of this stuff will be contained. I've already done all of these steps, showing you every bit of logical progression that I can. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.